Hi, Kurt Moreland, Associate Publisher with Incident Prevention, and we're live at the Incident Prevention Utility Safety Conference here in Orlando. We're doing an update on what's new in FR clothing and apparel. We have with us Max Hackett, one of our advertisers. Max, tell us what's new in FR gloves.
Well, one of our most popular and new and popular items is our FR ground glove. And so what we do here is we have a leather glove and we bond it with Kevlar. That combination creates a flame-resistant product, and it is cut level A4, puncture level 5, it's arc resistant, and also FR. And then the other exciting new FR product is this FR fleece liner. Guys can wear this underneath their rubber insulating gloves or their work gloves, but it's inherently flame resistant and arc rated, machine washable. It works for adding warmth in the wintertime, but it's also great at sweat mitigation in this hot summer, so it sort of has a dual purpose deal to it.
That sounds great, Max. Thanks for the update, and thanks again for being not only an exhibitor and advertiser, but you're also a classroom sponsor, too.
Yes. Well, thank you, guys. It's a great, we can't say enough about incident prevention. It's a wonderful organization, and we're glad to be a part of it.
Thank you very much. I've got with me Indy Singh of Nielsen Clothing Apparel. Indy, tell us what's new with some of the FR. It looks like you've got some great high-vis over here.
Yes, Kurt. So we've got a FR Rain Wear. It's waterproof, breathable, windproof. It's a 26.1 cal rating. A bit about the jacket, it's a triple storm flap. You have not one, not two, but 3 storm flaps. There's no stitching involved, it's all glued, taped and sealed. It comes with a detachable hood. You can take the hood off. Once you take the hood off, you got an extended neckline collar, stops the wind, rain, blowing, penetrating behind the back of your neck. And it comes with an overlap harness. If you're not using the harness, you have a waterproof zipper on the inside. Stops the water from coming inside the harness. It comes with an elasticated cuff, so when you're working up on the lines, stops the water from penetrating down your arms with a Velcro opening. And all our current coats have an interactive zipper, and we have now launched our FR fleece liner that zips into the coat, so you got your rain wear as well as winter wear.
That sounds really good, Indy. I mean, especially being down here in Florida where they have hurricanes, I could see where that would definitely come in handy. I also want to thank you guys for being an advertiser in our magazine and also being a regular exhibitor at our conference. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure. Thank you very much, Kurt.
All right, you bet, Indy. Thanks. Okay, Kurt Moreland over here at the Estex booth. I'm here with Mike Scott. Mike's going to give us a quick lesson on FR blankets and tell us what's new over here in their booth.
Hey, thanks for including us in your presentation. So yeah, the two big things we're doing is arc suppression blankets. It's mostly used in network underground. It's a protective device to keep linemen safe, and it's widely used everywhere around the country. And again, we've got very unique properties to it. It can be used in both directions, and it's available at all times. The other big product line that we also talk about is our lightweight, summer weight safety vests. These safety vests, it's the lightest weight material in the industry. We also have a unique tape here. It's also luminescent. So that's a brand new thing coming into the United States. It's retroreflective and luminescent, so it glows in the dark up to 8 hours, and you can walk back and forth behind the trucks in total darkness, and it constantly is recharged by light. And so this is brand new. So you have 360-degree coverage, both in light, retroreflective light, if light hits it, and in total darkness, which is totally unique.
Mike, I learned something new about FR blankets, and the high-vis looks great. Thanks again for being a regular exhibitor here at the conference.
We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Take care.
All right, Kurt Moreland at the Lac-Mac booth, and we've got Andrew Cunningham here. And Andrew, tell us what you've got here on your exhibit booth here.
Well, thanks, Kurt. This is FR Gore-Tex outerwear. It's made by Gore Associates, so it's a waterproof, windproof, breathable product designed for electric and gas utilities. So its primary purpose is for anyone who's working in inclement weather, and it's very different than traditional kind of PVC or non-breathable type products. so that you can wear this comfortably for 4 seasons of the year and not to have heat stress when you're out there working in the rain and storms and what have you. So the product itself, being a textile, we cut, sew, and seam seal it, which makes it very different than traditional technologies, which are more just thermally melted together. So this type of product should last 3 to 5 years of good hard use in the field. We can custom design it to the needs of the individual and the utilities that are wearing it. We have a couple different styles, and the price points are generally pretty attractive when you look at the lifespan of the garment.
Look at this great looking bright garment right here. Very nice. I see a 3M logo on there too. What's your relation with 3M?
3M, longtime supplier of us for reflective tape. So we do ANSI 107, CSA Z96 markings, both segmented, solid, and they have a new diamond cut as well. So a long-term supplier, just like WL Gore Associates for us.
Sounds great. Thanks again for being an exhibitor and being here with us.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You bet.
Cheers.
Okay, Kurt, right back with you. Right next door to the Lac-Mac booth is WL Gore. WL Gore is an advertiser in incident prevention, and I'm here with Paul Dacey, and he's going to tell us what's new with their company.
Yep, and as you mentioned, we're here to support some of our trademark license partners, and certainly the Gore-Tex you're probably familiar with, the FR Gore-Tex Rain Wear. But what I really want to show you today is one of our brand new products, and that is the 40 cal Gore Pyrad suit. This is extremely high arc rated. Like I said, it's over 40 cal, Cat 4, extremely lightweight, less than 10 ounces per square yard, highly breathable, and also very lightweight and flexible, gives you a lot of freedom of movement. And I just want to show you the garment again. This is the lightweight garment. It's getting a lot of excitement within the field. Everyone that tries it, it almost can't believe that it's a 40 cal suit. It's so lightweight. Another key feature is it's single ply. It's not the heavy multiple layers of aramid fibers making it up.
Thank you so much for being an exhibitor and an advertiser. Great display. Get the full effect, and appreciate you being here.
Thank you guys very much. It's been a great show.
You're welcome. If you haven't listened to my podcast yet, make sure you go to the incident-prevention.com website, click on our podcast tab, and you're going to hear a great podcast with me and Andrew Wirtz at NASCO talking about FR clothing. But we are doing an update here at the show, and I'm here with Andrew. Andrew at NASCO, tell us what you're showing here at your booth.
Well, thanks for the opportunity to be here. We love the incident prevention show. It's a great opportunity to connect with the utility industry. We have our Made in America arc protective rain suits here on display. Made in America has been a big deal in the last couple of years, simply because the supply chain difficulties have made it difficult to get product in from China. All of our products are made in USA in Washington, Indiana. So we have a variety of ANSI compliant, ANSI 107 and ASTM F1891 compliant rain suits, breathable. One of the newest products that we have is our ArcLight Air, the lightest weight product available on the market today. Offers flash fire protection, electric arc protection, and the ANSI visibility as well. So I would encourage anybody to check us out, and NASCOInc.com is our website. Information available for all of our products. Come check us out.
Sounds like you covered all the bases, and also thanks for being a regular advertiser in Incident Prevention Magazine too. I'm at the Ariat booth, and I'm here with Hunter Fuquay, and he's going to tell us what's new at their company with FR Garments. They've got some cool stuff here to show us.
All right, well, I'm going to show you what's new at Ariat. We have a lot of new things with jeans. One of the things we're doing is adding some spandex into it to make it a lot more flexible and stretchy. So you got a lot of these different styles. You got your basic ones, but we've also added some different styles so you can go right from work out to the restaurant and feels completely comfortable. We also have this very lightweight one we make with it's a dyed fabric, a solution dyed fabric. So the actual material is dyed before it even gets put into the pant. And same company that owns Sunbrella makes it for us, GlenGuard. They make the fabric. It's extremely lightweight, 6 ounces. It will never fade or anything, no matter how many times you wash it.
Hunter, I'm glad you mentioned GlenGuard. They are our inside front cover advertiser at Incident Prevention, longtime exhibitor too. And yeah, they make some great fabric, don't they?
Yeah, they sure do. It's super great stuff. It's called Ripstop, lightweight. People just love it.
That's fantastic. Now, hey, it's hot down here in Florida, and I noticed you've got some long sleeve tees over here. These aren't FR, are they? They look too comfortable.
That's what everybody says, but they are FR. We try to make it extremely flexible and durable. We also sponsor like the Pro Bull Riders Association and the U.S. Equestrian Team. So it's all these athletes that are roping horses and stuff. Well, the utility guys, they got to have that same flexibility too. So we put a lot of different stretch material in there so that, you know, they can stay safe and comfortable on the job and breathable as well.
Sounds good. Yeah, I was going to say, let's point out this one right here. This is custom made for our market, right?
Yeah, life on the line. People love this shirt. Flexible, also very comfortable, breathable. Life on the line. New rain wear coming out in the high-vis rain wear. It's always about comfort with us, comfort and style. So.
And I know you guys, you've got the patriotic theme too. A lot of American flags here.
Yep, we sure do.
You guys are out of Texas. Proud to be out of Texas.
Yep, we proud to support America. So.
Sounds good. Well, thanks for telling us what's new. Say hi to Hunter for us, the other Hunter, yep. Hunter Heath. Heath Hunter. And thanks again for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
You bet. We're with new exhibitor Buff Safety is new with us here in Orlando. And I'm here with Sante Frisha. Yeah. And he has a unique product, which is FR neck gaiters. Tell us what you have here in your booth.
Yeah, Kurt, thank you for coming. We are a specialist in producing head and neck accessories. When talking about fire products, okay, we have 3 different products for neck gaiters. We have a light version made with Modacryl and viscose FR, which is really comfortable and it's really useful for hot weathers. Okay. Then we have another option that's made with DuPont Nomex fibers. It's incredibly good, really soft, and really nice product. And then we got another product when we're talking about protection of neck, which is also arc flash rated, so protection against the arc flash. And when we talk about the hoods, okay, we got 2 different products. One is really similar to the neck. It's protection for fire, anti-static, and also arc flash, so a really nice product. And last product, we launched it last year. This is a specially hood for firefighters, okay? It comes with a nanoflex technology that filtrates the micro-cancerous particles of the smoke. So all the dust of the smoke, it filtrates it and avoids having these microparticles in your skin. It's a really nice technology coming directly from DuPont. It's incredibly working.
Santi, you know, with all the wildfires that we've had here in North America, especially out west, I could see where that would come in handy. I noticed you've got a couple good-looking hats back here, too, like a stocking cap and a baseball cap.
Yeah, those are not FR, but those are really nice products. Beanies and also sun protection, which is also part of our business. High bees and not high bees, but we are producing FR products, but also cold protection, wind protection, and sun protection. Everything related in the head and neck accessories.
That sounds great, Santi. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being a new exhibitor, and we hope that we continue to see you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So I'm with one of our new exhibitors, Marina Tech Fabrics, and I've got Wendell Witt here with me. Wendell, welcome to our show, and tell us about your company and what's new.
So we manufacture flame-resistant fabrics out of Barcelona, Spain, and we import to garment manufacturers in the States. Some of the featured products that we have, especially for the utility industry, the things that we do are very lightweight. We have a 5.5 ounce product that meets Cat 2. It's 8.9 cal, and we have garment manufacturers that make specialized garments out of that. But we also do some things like this, which is a tri-laminate product that is for an outerwear piece. You can see it has really nice stretch. It's basically 3 layers of fabric in one piece. It's a knit on the outside, a fleece in the middle, and a UP liner in the center that provides wind protection, rain protection, breathability, warmth. It's a very nice product. We also provide knits. We manufacture knits and wovens, so we're very versatile in our garment line, as well as, you can see, high vis, which is very important for the utility industry.
So just to confirm, you're a fabric producer, and then the garment companies would use your fabric, so you want the line people to specify your fabric if they can.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right.
Great. Well, thanks again for being a new exhibitor here, and we hope we continue to see you at our conferences. And thanks again for introducing us to your company.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Here I am at the Mount Vernon FR booth right now, and I'm with Cameron Hood. And Cameron, welcome to our conference. From what I understand, you know, you've been a past advertiser in Incident Prevention Magazine, but this is your first time exhibiting at our conference. Welcome.
It is. Thank you. Happy to be here.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of the FR garments? I noticed some really nice button-down shirts here.
Yeah. So just showcasing some of our customers, and we actually have the lightest weight shirting fabric, 8812. That is level 2 in the industry. So just kind of showcasing some of the prints and solids we have here by Carhart, by Cintas, and regular FR.
That sounds really good. I like your display. If you want to step to the side a little bit. Got a really nice display here at their booth.
And the Westex over here.
Okay.
Flex is the name of the game. Flex is the name of the game.
All right. Well, again, thanks for being here. We appreciate you. I hope to continue to see you here at our conference.
Great. Thank you.
You know what's hot here at the trade show floor in Orlando is the Lapco FR booth apparel. So we stopped by here. They're from the New Orleans area, so this is kind of cool. They hand out these little bottles of Tabasco sauce with their logo on there, and we're here checking out their apparel at their booth. Kurt Moreland, continuing my visits here to our FR vendors in Orlando in the exhibit hall. Got to give a special shout out to Westex. They sponsored our lunch yesterday for our opening day of education. It was a fantastic plated lunch. They had cards out there, and I know the attendees really appreciated their sponsorship. We did too. It's great to have them here as an exhibitor. They're also a new advertiser in Incident Prevention Magazine, so we got to thank them all for that. We got another stop here on What's New with FR Clothing Update. We're here with Carhart. They got a nice big 10x20 booth, and I'm here with Greg Harris. Greg is going to tell us and show us what's new here at their booth. Come on in for a closer look.
Thank you very much. Again, Greg Harris with Carhartt, and just wanted to go over a couple new products that we've come out with in the last year or so. We have a new 4.7 ounce lightweight force shirt going very well in the market. It's been out about a year and a half. A lot of people have taken on to this. We've added to a lot of new programs. It comes in 4 different colors. It comes in steel blue, gray, navy, and khaki. Got contrast stitching and a lot of bells and whistles all over the shirt. So that's one of our newest products. Also, to complement that, we came out with a new midweight sweatshirt. In that midweight sweatshirt, we have 3 different options. We have a zipper front, we have a pullover hoodie, and we also have a quarter zip. So also comes in 3 different colors. It comes in navy, heather gray, and brown. So those are our 2 new products. Love for you to come by the booth. We appreciate IP for inviting us in for this conference.
And we had a great conference here in Orlando, and FR Update would not be complete without recognizing our sponsors, GlenGuard, who runs regularly on our inside front cover, and Cintas, which is a great advertiser as well. And again, we had a great conference. Thanks to all of our exhibitors for being here and all of our attendees. And we look forward to seeing you in Glendale, Arizona, November 8th through the 10th. See you there.